Boom! What's up, YouTube? Today is December. Why do I want to stay fixated on December? It is January 26th, 2019, and got the lathe. Woodchuck. I didn't make a video about that. That was boring. So finally got my sharpener. Actually, this is the sharpener. Bam. This is the accessory you have to attach the sharpener to the lathe. So I haven't lathed anything in a while because I've been working on other projects that you have seen me screw up. So I'm going to attach my sharpener to my lathe so I can sharpen my tools because they are super dull. So this is just going to be a fast motion. There's videos out there how to do it, but I thought it'd just be funny to watch me try to assemble this not knowing what I'm doing. So if you're interested on how to put a Nova coupler on your Nova Comet 2 lathe or a grinding wheel to sharpen your tools, hey, stick around for the next couple of minutes. That's what I'm going to do. And obviously I got a new workbench. These things are amazing. They're like $60 from like Home Depot. Pretty awesome. Anyway, and I sealed it with, whatchamacallit, what's this called? The spray. Anyway, not important. I've already been drinking because I don't feel good. This is actually beer number 1. And girlfriend's not happy with that. Oh well. Anyway, so let's get that started. Okay, so it is assembled. The grinding wheel is on. It is attached. It's locked. Let me tell you what a bad thing is, though. When you get it and you have extra pieces, not good. However, I combed through the instruction manual, but I can't find any reason why this piece is here, and I looked through, so I'm assuming maybe it attaches here with a protective glass if that's what you wanted. I don't know, because it didn't come with other pieces, and I know I assembled it correctly. So okay, so there you have it. Grinding wheel works. I think I did this right. Let me see. I can zoom in. It looks like I did it right. I have never sharpened tools. I've read a lot of tutorials on YouTube Of course, if it's on the internet, it has to be true. On how to do it. This one was super chipped, but I won't focus. But I have an idea how it works. The tools that I have aren't very, high end anyway, so I'm not going to ruin them on purpose. But they're sharp enough to where I can lathe again. At least I think I can. So I'll go ahead and keep doing that, and then hey, there's a video on how to kind of install this, and it's done. But I am working on several other projects. As you can see, I've got more space. A lot more space for activities, as Will Ferrell would say. So, I'm going to get that dried up. There's other activities, but hey, if you want to know how to install one of these things, I'm not the guy to watch. It's just funny to watch me do it and drink. So, I will see you in the next video, and leave a comment, subscribe, that kind of thing. Alright, see you later. See you at the next project.